In this video we are going to see step by step what we can do in order to be eligible for the Optimism Airdrop. Hello, this is George from Crypto Elite and let's get started. Okay, in order to be eligible for the airdrop, you have to go on this page, gateway.optimism.io. I will also link this page in the description. And then you click deposit, not withdraw, deposit, and then you click couple of ETH, let's say whatever. Okay, that's nothing here, but let's say we will do this just so you see this. We click next and then we confirm the transaction. Of course, you have to take in mind that you have to pay whatever this amount is showing at the time of you doing this attempt. And I have seen this going as little as $30-40 all the way up to $150 like now. So we can confirm, but I will reject it here just to show you. And then you have to wait 20 minutes, I guess, in order for the transaction to be cleared. And then you will have the funds in Optimism Ethereum equivalent. One step is that. Another step is to go on a Uniswap and pull up the Optimism network. But before that, you have to actually add the Optimism network in your MetaMask wallet. So let me show you how to do that. You go here, and in this page that I will also link this in the description, and you click on the search bar Optimism, and you click this, you add this. In my case I already have it added, so you will click OK, and then you leave that page. And then you go to the Uniswap exchange and you click Optimism. You click Switch Networks, you agree, and then you are coming here. And then you exchange some of those Optimism Ethereum with some of those coins here. Actually, let's say DAI, for example, and click 003 or whatever you want to do. Like this, and then you click next, and then you have finished this part as well. In my opinion, I mentioned both of those steps here in the gateway of Optimism and in Uniswap, because you never know what they will ask as steps in order to be eligible. So this is not by any means, this is not a guarantee to participate in the airdrop or to be eligible, but they are the only things that I can think of in my mind that I should do in order to be eligible. Plus, this is my own personal opinion, so don't take my word for it, but I think there is nothing else we can do here. So that's why I believe that those are the only steps, because otherwise I have found them, you know. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos like this with airdrops, etc., and share it with a friend so you can both benefit from it, because it's free. So that was it for today. Share it with a friend and let me know in the comments. Okay, take care, bye bye.